Hey friends, welcome back to our channel, Project Vagrant. I'm Joey, and in this week's video, we're going to show you how we started putting our wall up in our van. Walls, actually. Let's get on into it. Before screwing the shiplap to the framing, I pre-drilled the holes with an 11/32 inch drill bit. You can see I marked how deep I wanted to drill with aluminum tape on the drill bit. This is very important to prevent drilling into the wiring or accidentally drilling through your van's wall. As a general rule, your screw should enter at least half the thickness of the end material. I used number 8 1-inch flathead Phillips screws. During this part of the van build, I learned that a speed square is essential. You can see how I utilized it to keep my screws straight and as a guide for my saw to make straight cuts or even 45 and 90-degree angle cuts. It's a good idea to buy a pack of assorted hole saws. Here I use them to cut holes for our wiring to come through our wall. Building the wall up around the wheel well was definitely the hardest part. I recommend you keep a pencil close so you can mark lines and write measurements efficiently. If you wanted the shape to be near perfect, you could create a template using cardboard and a scribe. I'm going to include a clip where I made a scribe with a marker and a level and some tape. What I'm going to do is, imagine this is my hand right here's the wall. I'm going to push it against it and then just run it as evenly as I can across it, and I'm going to watch this to make sure I don't tilt it too much, and that's going to make a pretty close tracing of the exact curve I need for the wheel well on the cardboard. Alright, so here's what I've got. This is what I did to trace our subfloor. I used leftover 1/2-inch plywood to build a box over the driver's side wheel well. I used a Craig jig to create pocket holes and join the wood together. Our batteries will be mounted to this box as well as some other electrical components. Alright guys, that's it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. And if you did, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. We'll see you guys next week.